Bring the noise. Bring the noise. Oyo beats. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it in, let's get it on. I was born for this shit, the adrenaline is on. And the mic getting ripped, you can look and you can search, but you can't find this. I'm QB's finest, call me your highness. I'm ready to kill y'all niggas up, for real. Y'all niggas suck, you front, you get in touch. I was always hardcore, standing in the cut, nigga, ready for war. Really had an AK, really had a tech. All types of shit to take your head off your neck. Better show respect when a nigga come through. Mic check 1, 2, I mastered gun fool. I'm here to slap the taste out your face. You ain't hip hop, nigga, you a disgrace. I attack from all angles. Use the mic called to strangle and hang you. I mean what I say. Me, I don't play, get the fuck out my way. Rap renegade, special forces, going at the bosses. I'm taking no losses. Oyo beats, come on. Yo. Tell me what the fuck y'all gonna do? Just deal with it, I'm too for real with it, I'm too ill with it. Y'all niggas don't have a chance, it's all over. Niggas shooting up the ambulance, call a coroner, my niggas all over ya. We screw balling ya, I'm relentless, handling business. Don't stop till I'm finished, I flow with the sickness. I'm coming at y'all niggas sideways. Rappers get slayed when they come my way. You only get one shot, but all you gonna do is get scraped off the block. All you gonna do is get popped and chopped. Trust me, I do this a lot, I'm too hot. Give it all I got, till I reach the top. You know I spit crack, I keep them running back, and that's a fucking fact. Y'all niggas fucking whack, you rollin' with the rush. You know my guns bust, you get left in the dust, crushed and put on hush. Blaq Poet is the ultimate, now y'all niggas know exactly what y'all niggas fucking with.